Today, I'm going to show you how to back up your data from OneDrive to an external hard drive, a quick and reliable way to make sure your important files are safe, whether you're getting ready for a computer upgrade or just want some extra peace of mind. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a point-in-time backup of your OneDrive files using a simple manual copy method that's perfect for one-time backups. Let's dive right in. We'll start by making sure all of the files you need are actually available on your computer, not just in the cloud. This is an important first step because OneDrive uses something called Files on Demand. That means some files may just be shortcuts or placeholders that only download when you open them, so you want to make sure you're backing up the actual files, not just links. So open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer. You'll usually find this on the left sidebar or under Quick Access. Once you're in, identify which files or folders you want to back up. If you want to back up everything, you can select the top-level folders inside OneDrive. Now here's the key part. Right-click on your selection and choose Always Keep on this device. This option tells OneDrive to make sure those files are downloaded locally, and you'll notice the icons next to each file will start to change. They'll go from just plain cloud symbols or hollow checkmarks to solid green checkmarks. This might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of large files or a slow internet connection, so don't worry if you need to step away for a moment. It's worth giving your computer the time it needs to finish this step because it ensures that everything you want to back up will actually be copied. Next, it's time to connect your external hard drive. Go ahead and plug it into a USB port, wait for Windows to recognize it, and make sure you can see the external drive listed in File Explorer. It'll probably show up as a new drive letter. The name might include your hard drive brand like Seagate or WD. If your drive doesn't appear, give it a few seconds or try a different USB port just in case. Now with your OneDrive files still selected, right-click and choose Copy. If you're backing up a lot of files, you might want to copy them folder by folder to keep things organized, but you can select as many as you want at once. Then switch over to your external hard drives window in File Explorer. Find an empty spot, don't worry, right-clicking won't overwrite anything unless you choose to replace a file. Once you're ready, right-click and select Paste. Windows will start copying the files from OneDrive to your external drive, creating a snapshot of your OneDrive at this moment in time. Depending on how much you're backing up, this could take a few minutes or even longer, so be patient. You'll be able to see the progress as the files copy. This way you know you have a secure backup, completely separate from your cloud storage, just in case you ever lose internet access, change OneDrive accounts, or something unexpected happens online. And that's it, you've just made a manual backup of your OneDrive data onto your external hard drive. Remember, this method is perfect for one-time backups before a big change, or for archiving important projects without relying solely on cloud storage. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, something didn't work, or you want advice about automating backups, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Make sure to subscribe if you want more easy, practical tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.